Hello. This video is a brief introduction to your spam dashboard. We have a hard copy user guide, but this video summarizes the most commonly used features and tools. If you want a deeper dive into some of these features, that user guide is helpful. You may already have it. If you don't, see your local administrator and he can get that document for you. This personal spam dashboard is a web portal for viewing emails that have been quarantined as spam. And from this interface, you can also release messages that you don't consider spam and manage your whitelists and blacklists. There are two ways to access the dashboard. One is to point a browser to claircomputer.redcondor.net. You'll see this interface here, and you click on the personal. Your login will be your email address, and your password is the password you use to log into your PC normally. When you click on the login, you'll see a list of messages that are in quarantine. These are messages that the system has deemed to be spam, and this gives you a chance to take a look at them and see if you agree with them. You'll find that most of the time you do agree with them, but occasionally you'll see an email that you didn't want to be caught in spam, and this is your chance to both release it to your inbox and also let the system know that you want further emails from that sender to be considered safe. The way to do that is you select a message. It'll preview the message down below, and you can make double sure this is a message that you don't consider spam. You can come up here and hit the release button, and that will release the message to your inbox. There's some other controls here: delete, select all, download, but the most common one to use is release. There's really no need to delete messages from here. They are deleted in due course anyway, so you don't gain anything by it. So let's say you've looked at this message and you decided this is not spam in your view and you want to release it to your inbox. You click the button and you'll see this menu here. You can modify your friends and let the system know that that sender is considered safe to you, and then future emails from that sender will not be caught in spam. You can also check this through an email. You get an email that's called the Daily Digest, and it comes out sometimes daily and sometimes weekly, depending on the settings, and it will come out so long as there is messages in your quarantine. I think this is the easiest way to do it personally, because you open it up and you can see the messages in your quarantine. Same type of thing, you want to look at them and verify that what they're calling spam you agree with. One of the quick ways to check the criteria is, do you know the sender? And also take a look at the country. At least in our business, most of the emails we get, legitimate ones, would come from the U.S. So there's usually a lot from different countries. Unless your business is international, that's a quick way to check. Either way, it doesn't take long. You know when someone's familiar to you or the subject line tells you this might be for real. When you look at one that you think maybe you don't want it to be considered spam, you click on the View button, and it'll bring it up. And you can see then if it really is spam. If you decide it's not spam, you can click this down here. You can add that sender to your friends list and hit release down here, and that will send it to your inbox. So it's all pretty simple. Now, I think the easiest way to do this is through the email interface. But either way, you can view what's been quarantined, you can release the messages that you don't consider spam, and edit your whitelist to make sure that that known senders are not being caught in quarantine. If any of these features aren't working the way we're showing you here, you can reach us at helpdesk@claircomputer.com. That will generate a ticket, and we will contact you and help you get this set up so it's working to your satisfaction. We think you'll find this tool very helpful in cutting down on the amount of unwanted emails you get so you can get more work done. So hope this is a great help to you. Thank you very much.